Hello and welcome for my video. In this video I will show how you can use matplotlib with the subplots. It's when you need to make a plot in your matplotlib, where you basically need like 4 plots in the same view with the 4 different data, or you need to compare and something like that. You can use subplot to handle more plots inside it. I can show you how. Let's start and create a file, sample1. I will copy a default code I have from the other tutorial. Remember to change this for 1 to 100 in 4 ways. We need to start to build our figure. For this we need to plt that figure. We need to say the numbers, we don't need it. We only need the default value. So now we have our figure. Let's say we want to, the first x should be, that's subplot, should be on the rows and the columns, and this should be the position, number 1. We need to say this again. Plot, now we need to add our plot. And let's do it 3 more times. And pretty sure to show a plot. And it should be the position number 2. Position number 3. And position number 4. So run this. This should showing the right correct. Yes, you can see. Have 4 plots in the same plot view. It's the sub. So let's copy this one and this one and go for sample number 2. In this I will show how you can combine them, change the color and set the title on the X and the U X, and how you can change the marking on the plot. So we have this again, so we say the AX1, sorry, and fig add subplot. We say it should be 2 columns, long, 1 row high, and we want to say the first position. And then I want to set the title, long AX, 2 columns, 1 rows. As a title, we want to say X label. This should be the bottom. The U label should be the left, and we want to say X marking should be 0, should be float, and the U marking should be 0. Pretty sure. And then we need to add a plot. What we want is, say we want to add our X plot, and I want to set X plot should be blue, and then we want 1 more plot because we only need 3 different subplots now. So I want to say the U plot color should be red, everything's fine, and then we want a normal one, AX2 plt figure, sorry, fig add subplot should be 2 and position number 3. AX2 add plot, and it should be set. And number three, oops, should Q, and position number 4. If I hit this right, it should be very nice, but I don't. I'm spelling it correctly. Yes, here we go. Make it a little bigger. You can see the red and the blue in the same plot. We have the long AX, 2 columns, 1 row. It's meaning it's filling 2 and 1. Then we have the 2 default one we've put in. You can see we have a little margin here, and it's a little margin here. We have removed it over here, and you can see down here it's not look so good. So let's say it should be 1, 3, yes, and this is, whoops, this is what we want. Try again, and yeah, you can see, close it and run again, and it should have, but it's not because they have no numbers. So yeah, this is the matplot, how you use subplots. I hope you like it. I hope you want to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, let me know. Make comments below, press like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.